In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access special features. Then hit simple mode, click enter simple mode and wait. As you can see, after that, easy mode was successfully enabled. To turn it off, hit settings, tap on exit simple mode at the very bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!